In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Edgewise Therapeutics Inc, ticker EWTX, listed on NASDAQ. Edgewise Therapeutics is a clinical stage biotech company working in therapeutic development. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which usually requires an identity document, and you must add funds to buy shares. Use the platform's search box and type the ticker EWTX to find Edgewise Therapeutics Inc. Select the listing that shows NASDAQ and the EWTX symbol to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the basic company profile in the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Check the issuer name, exchange listed as NASDAQ, and the ticker EWTX before proceeding. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and select order type. Then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it opens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add funds before confirming. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For convenience, find the example link to eToro in the description below.